Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the administrative field. It is non-phone, but I wanted to share because it is very well paying. We are going to dive on in. Just note the link, if you're interested in applying to this page, is in the YouTube description box below this video. Huge Bank US Bank is hiring an administrative assistant coordinator. Now, this is full-time remote, and it is remote within the United States only. But they are basically looking for somebody to just handle all the administrative duties of different executives and teams. You'll be assisting with meeting coordination and calendar management for talent leaders. You'll actively participate in planning, execution, and post-meeting activities for executive meetings. So you'll listen into the meetings, you'll capture those key discussion points, you'll organize them, and you'll send summaries of the meetings out after the meetings end. You'll maintain up to date on the organizational charts, access, and distribution list. You'll coordinate access and approval for different hardware like computers and stuff, software, and bank badge access for the executive team. You'll continue to order and manage the technology and workspace for other staff as well. And you'll help support the Palo Alto office location by coordinating their team visits, team meals, and general office maintenance. So you will be scheduling all of that and managing those calendars. Now, if that sounds like a task you are up for, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and somebody who has 5 to 8 years of experience in administrative or support staff activities. Now, that is it as far as that basic required qualifications. They do have some preferred skills, such as somebody who can multitask, has great attention to detail, of course, great communication skills, as someone who can work with a computer, specifically Microsoft Office applications. That's going to be Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, all of those things. And someone who has the ability to listen, understand, and use good judgment in problem solving. Now, pay for this position is always dependent on location and experience, but pay starts anywhere from $25.96 an hour all the way up to $38.08 an hour. They also offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments, or if you have any suggestions on how I could improve this channel and job leads for you, leave that down below as well, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.